Hello, I'm Bernie Clark, and I'd like to welcome you to the Inside. Whether you're joining us for a live class, watching a replay, or exploring the library, this short video will help get you oriented and make the most of your membership. Let's take a look at what's available. First, if you've not yet subscribed to our classes, visit yinyoga.com. Once you get to yinyoga.com, select the Classes tab, and you'll be taken to this page. From here, you merely click the Join the Inside button, and from there, you'll be taken to Asana at Home on Hey Marvelous. Asana at Home is the host for all of our classes. Here, you'll be given an option of a number of different subscriptions, from a weekly subscription that's $6 a week to an annual subscription that's less than $4 a week. Most people choose the monthly subscription. Now, if this is your first time, you'll need to create an account. Once you select Create an Account, you'll need to fill in your contact information, taking care to make sure you spell your email address correctly, or that can cause some communication problems with you later on. Agree to the terms of service, and then you create your account. Once you've created the account, you can finish subscribing. Now, once you have subscribed and you log in to your account, visit your dashboard. Everything happens from the dashboard. Then you'll need to find your products. So click on the My Products tab, and depending on how many products you've actually purchased through Asana at Home, perhaps you selected some of their other classes or their teacher training options, go to find the Welcome to the Inside product, and you'll see here a number of other tabs: Content, Playlist, and Events. If you're hoping to join us for a live class, you will need to register for the class before it starts. So you can do this in two ways. First, click the Events tab, and there you'll see there's a calendar of upcoming classes. Let's suppose you want to join Diana's class. You would click here, and then simply click Register for the event. Once you register for the event, an email will be sent to you. And when the time comes, you can click on the link in the email, or come back here and simply join the class in progress. There's another way to join, and that's through the Calendar button up here. So from your dashboard, you can click on Calendar, and here you'll see a list of all the classes that you're eligible for at Asana at Home. So again, you need to pre-register for these, so you can simply come on to this and register for the class that you wish to attend. Now, if you decided that you want to take one of the classes that have been pre-recorded, you can return to the Contents tab here. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see there's a number of options. So here's a list of all the classes that we've had throughout the years on Welcome to the Inside. But another way to navigate this, since there's hundreds and hundreds of classes, is first, you can maybe just choose the instructor you're looking for. So if you want to find all Diana Bat's classes, you would select her name, and there's all her past classes. The same with the other teachers. On the other hand, if you're looking for a particular style, like you want a Hatha Yoga class, you would then see all the Hatha Yoga classes offered by Natalie. Or perhaps you're more interested in the Chair Yoga classes. These are offered by Christina. So you can select either the teacher or the style of practice that you want. Another option is to search for any particular theme of class. Say today you want to work on the shoulders. So you can type in the search bar here, shoulders, and you'll see all these classes that are working the shoulders. Perhaps you want something that's a bit more esoteric. You could enter your term here in the search bar. Say you want to look at interoception. Click there and you'll see all the classes that refer to the idea of interoception. Another option for searching through the library is to click on the playlists. Here there's a pre-compiled list of classes pertaining to different topics. The first playlist of all the most popular classes that are most frequently watched over the years, or you may want to select all the chair yoga classes. Perhaps you're looking for classes that deal with energy work, chi or meridians. Or if you want to spend a more meditative practice, a mindfulness practice. or you're looking for all of Diana's classes. Maybe you love doing yin yoga against the wall, or maybe you're a beginner to yin yoga, or maybe you don't want a lot of talking today. You just want a nice quiet class. Or perhaps you're looking more for the upper body. So with the playlist, you can have access to pre-selected or pre-compiled classes that will take you to the theme of your choice. Another facility that we have is an ability to contact us. At the bottom of every page, there is a stay in touch memo here. So send an email to namaste@asanauthome.com. Simply click this link and you'll be taken directly to your mail program. So if you have any questions of a technical nature or issues with payment or whatever, please write directly to namaste@asanauthome.com. Another approach is to select the community button. This allows you to connect with all the other students who are also subscribers to Welcome to the Inside, as well as to the teachers. Again, you're subscribed to Welcome to the Inside. When you select the community button there, you'll have a chance here to enter a comment, a question, anything you want to do, or you can even look down and see questions and comments from other participants in the community. A final thing to talk about that's not part of the Hey Marvelous Asana at Home site is the fact that we also offer, included with your membership, a weekly Spotify playlist. In my classes, every Sunday morning, I will be suggesting a playlist to go with the class itself. So by clicking on Exploring the Playlist, you'll be taken to this page here where you can select one of 21 different playlists that I've created to accompany a yin yoga practice. Or click on this button here for the playlist that will accompany this week's class, or the replay for this week's class. Now, many people don't like music with the class, and that's totally fine. You don't have to have music. This is just for people who want a little bit extra ambiance with their practice. And you don't need to subscribe to access this. You can access any of these playlists at any time. So you can listen to this music in anybody else's classes, or in your own home practice, or when you're just looking for some mellow background music. Perhaps you're working on your computer, you just need something off in the distance to help you focus. Just click any of these and you'll be taken to the Spotify playlist for those. Whether you're taking a class live or practicing from the library, we are happy you're joining us. Please enjoy your practice, stay in touch, and we'll see you on the inside.